Okay, this is the first moment of shoveling snow inside our house. I'm going to get the shovel. Thank goodness we locked the door. Maybe you don't. Uh-oh, can't get out. Oh my god. No, false alarm. Okay. Oh good, it's staying put. Awesome. This is hysterical. I'm so glad you left this here. Okay, this is so funny. Here we go. Shoveling the porch from inside the house. That's a first. Am I done?
Yeah.
Is that on?
Yeah, it's on now.
I think you should take a picture of your hippopotamus.
Okay.
Hippo car.
Okay, I will. It's the hippopotamus. We're almost dug out. And here's what it looks like when it's dug out.